Welcome to the Warriors Haven podcast, the place where discipline meets purpose and everyday people become unstoppable. I'm your host, Jaisha Sutherland, a retired Army drill sergeant, single mom, and the founder of the Warriors Haven. Around here, we talk fitness, mindset, and the mission of building a stronger you, mentally, physically, and financially. Because this isn't just about the gym. It's about life, leadership, and living on your terms. So gear up, lock in, and let's step into the haven where warriors are made. Hi friends, welcome to the next episode here on the Warriors Haven. I'm your host, Jay, and in this topic, we're going to cover the fitness myth that's keeping you stuck. Let's get started. You don't need another workout plan. You need recovery. Most people are doing more cardio, more reps, more hours, and wondering why they still look the same in the mirror. Here's the truth. Your results don't actually come from the gym. They come from what happens after the gym. So if you're constantly sore, tired, or not seeing changes in your body, this episode is going to hit home because today we're breaking down the fitness myth that's keeping you stuck. Let's dive into a little bit of the science. Exercise is a stressor. When you train, you're literally breaking down your muscles. Tiny micro tears form in the fibers. That's normal. That's how growth happens. Here's the catch. Your body can't rebuild if you never let it recover. Muscle growth, fat loss, and even your energy all happen during recovery mode, not during your workout. Recovery mode is fueled by two main things. The first one, protein. Protein is used to rebuild the muscle you just broke down. And the second, sleep, to balance hormones and regulate repair. Now, if you skip those two pieces, your body stays stuck in breakdown mode. And when that happens, something sneaky creeps in. Chronically elevated cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. It's not bad. It helps you respond to workouts and daily stress. But when it stays elevated all the time, because you're overtraining, undersleeping, or overeating, it starts to work against you. High cortisol slows your metabolism, messes with your energy, and tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your midsection. So if you've been thinking, I'm doing everything right, I'm training 5-6 days a week and eating clean, why isn't it working? That's why. Your body is stuck in survival mode, not growth mode. Here's the bottom line. Your body can't rebuild if you never give it time to recover. You don't need to go harder. You need to go smarter. That means giving your muscles rest days, getting ideally 7 to 8 hours of sleep. For most of us, 3 to 4, and I can teach you how to properly refuel even getting 3 to 4 hours of sleep. I did it for 2.5 years as a drill sergeant, and I still find myself many times still running on 3 to 4 hours of sleep now. But you fuel with enough protein and managing stress. Because fitness isn't just what you do, it's what you allow your body to become when you rest, refuel, and reset. So, if this episode hit home, and you're tired of spinning your wheels, I've got something for you. In my 7-day free trial, I'll teach you how to train smarter, not longer. You'll learn how to repair your workouts with recovery nutrition so your body finally starts responding again. We'll fix your energy, reset your metabolism, and build a program that works with your body, not against it. So head over to my website to take the free wellness quiz at thewarriorshaven.com. And you'll automatically unlock your 7-day energy and fitness jumpstart into my app. Because when you recover better, you look better, feel better, and perform better. You don't have to keep guessing. You don't need another plan that burns you out. You just need to understand how your body works and start giving it what it's been asking you for all along. I'm Coach Jay, and this was the Warriors Haven podcast. Make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with someone who's been stuck in the do more cycle. And remember, discipline isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. So until next time, friends, stay strong, stay focused, stay ready. Hi, friend. Thanks for tuning in to the Warriors Haven podcast, where we turn discipline into freedom and help you build the body, mindset, and lifestyle you deserve. If today's episode fired you up or gave you just that little push you needed, don't stop here. Head on over to thewarriorshaven.com, where you'll find details on how to jumpstart the next version of you. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every single day. So until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and stay ready. I'm Jaisha Sutherland, and you're listening to the Warriors Haven podcast. It's Jay, your favorite drill sergeant. Before you go, I want to leave you with one final thought. Knowledge is powerful, but knowledge without action changes nothing. If today's conversation helped you better understand how your brain works and gave you hope that real change is possible, then I'd love to invite you to take the next steps with us inside the Warriors Haven Inner Circle on School. It's a community built for people who are ready to stop living on autopilot and start building a life rooted in discipline, resilience, and intentional growth. Every week, you'll find practical coaching, mindset training, neuroscience-backed strategies, accountability, and a community of people committed to becoming stronger together, one decision at a time. Again, you can find the Warriors Haven Inner Circle on school.com. That's SKOOL.com. And if this episode resonated with you, I'm excited to share that my first book, The Warriors Haven Edge, is scheduled to release later this year. It's everything I've learned from the military, neuroscience, leadership, and coaching, combined into a practical framework to help you rebuild your identity, reclaim your energy, and create lasting change from the inside out. You can join the exclusive book waitlist today at thewarriorshavenbook.com and be among the first to receive updates, exclusive content, and launch announcements. Again, that waitlist can be found at thewarriorshavenbook.com. Thank you for spending part of your day with us. If this episode encouraged you, challenged your thinking, or helped you see yourself differently, please share it with someone who needs to hear it. Your support helps us reach more people who are searching for hope, clarity, and a path forward. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay curious, and never settle for the person you were yesterday. Your next chapter starts with the decision you make today. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, stay ready. I'll catch you on the next episode.